Hard Parent friends and family. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. And before we get started with our fun phonics, I just wanted to say happy birthday tomorrow to a kid in my class, Sawyer Shook. I'm just so excited that it's your birthday and I hope you have a fabulous day. Now let's review open syllables. Remember, an open syllable is a word that has a vowel at the end of it, and the vowel says its long vowel name. Like hi, I, me, e, go, g, o, or no, o. If you take a look at this word, token, you'll notice that it's a two-syllable word. These are all one-syllable words. This is important to know because you're about to get into bigger words, and now you're going to have more confidence if you know the difference between an open and a closed syllable word when you come to those bigger words. You can find the vowel, find the consonant, find the vowel. Now let's move to compound words. A compound word is two words that come together to make a new word with a new meaning. For example, the word pig and the word pen. Those have different meanings when they're apart from each other, but when you put them together, that means a place where a pig lives. Now let's write some words. Remember, when we're tapping two-syllable words, we're going to tap each syllable. So the first word is upset. Up, up. Tap it with me. Up, up. Okay, tap it by yourself. Great. Now we'll tap the second syllable. S-et, set. Tap it with me. S-et, set. Tap it by yourself. Now write the word upset. Great. Okay, word number 2 is catfish. K-at, cat. Tap it with me. K-at, cat. Now tap it by yourself. Great job. Okay, now let's tap the second syllable. Ish, fish. Tap it with me. Ish, fish. Now write the word catfish. Great job, guys. Okay, let's write our third word. The word is Batman. B-at, bat. M-at-n-man. Tap it with me. B-at, bat. M-at-n-man. Tap it by yourself. Great. Okay, our fourth word is cash box. Watch me. Ash, cash. B-ox, box. Now the reason we use the digraph sh to tap once is because that makes one sound. It's two letters that make one sound. Okay? Tap it with me. Ash, cash. B-ox, box. Now write the word cash box. Great. Okay, here's our last word. The word is within. If, with. In. Tap it with me. If, with. In. Tap it by yourself. Good. Now write the word within. Great job, guys. You guys are doing amazing at this. I can't wait to see your work. Okay, last, I want you to go ahead and look at the sentence on your page. It says, she smiled. And I want you to think of some adjectives to go ahead and expand that sentence to make it have more details. Thanks for your hard work. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Good morning, first graders. Today is April the 3rd. It is Friday. We're going to start our phonemic awareness today with some rhyming words. I'm going to give you a nonsense word, and I want you to think of 2 or 3 words that are real words that would rhyme with that. So the word glub, think of 2 or 3. And you could say, it could have said something like tub, shrub, rub, hub. Okay, next word, fet. Think of 2 or 3 words. You're going to change the beginning sound. Get, met, let, fret. Okay, next word, dap. You could say words like trap, flap, snap. Okay. All right, the next section I'm going to do for you is I'm going to say a word, and I want you to break the word into the onset, and then the rhyme at the end. So if I say punch, you would say punch, and then you're going to say punch. Okay, ready? First word, dawn. You should have said dawn, on. Gown, gown, own. Mouth, mouth, outh. Trout, trout, out. Clown, clown, pull, own. Doubt, doubt, out. Brow, town, own, town. Okay, on the next one, you're gonna blend some sounds. So I'm gonna say individual phonemes, and then you're gonna listen to them, and then you're gonna say the whole word. Okay, so if I said ow, you would say mouth. Ready? Brr, ow, brow. Grr, ouch, grouchy. Okay. Out. About. Out. Outside. Good. Owl. Scowl. Owl. Growl. Hour. Hour. Ow. Crown. Out. Out. Out loud. Very good. All right, we're going to do a different one today. We didn't do this one this week yet. So today I'm going to say some words. You're going to repeat the word, and then you're going to replace a sound that I tell you with another sound, and then create a new word. So if I say douse, you would say douse, and I would say change the d to a h. And the new word is house. Ready? Okay. Say pounce. Change the p to a b. What's the new word? Bounce. Good. Vouch. Change the v to a p. What's the new word? Pouch. Proud. Change the pr to a oh. What's the new word? Loud. Pout. Change the p to a sk. What's the new word? Scout. Mouse. Change the to a h. House. Good. Sound. Change the s to a gr. Ground. Plow. Change the pull to a w. Wow. Howl. Change the h to a sk. What's the new word? Scowl. A scowl is when someone does their face like this. They're not happy. Drown. Change the dr to a cl. What's the new word? clown, trout. Change the tr to a sp. What's the new word? Spout. Very good, guys.
Hey everybody, it's Miss Grissom. I hope that you're enjoying this really beautiful sunny day today and playing outside a whole lot. Today we're going to do some math. What I want you to remember is what your teachers taught you about start, change, and result. Start, change, result. So a lot of times in math, what we do is we start with a number, we change it somehow. We do something to it, either plus or minus. We either add something to it or we take something away. And then what we do is we try to see what the result, after we did our change, what was the end result? And problems can ask us for the start sometimes. Those are difficult. Sometimes it asks us, what did we change about that number? And sometimes it asks us for the result. So let's practice with our subitizing like we've been doing the last couple of days. So when we subitize, let's look at this one for instance. When we subitize, we're looking for parts in the dots, okay? A pattern of parts, all right? So we might see the 3 first. I can recognize very quickly that there are 3 dots in a row. And so that's what I'm starting with, okay? In my brain. I don't say that out loud, but that's what my brain does. Starts with 3, or maybe you started with 4. But I start with one of the parts. I start with 3 and I can see, oh, that's 4 more. So in my brain, I'm like, 3 and 4 more, 3 plus 4 is 7. Maybe you know that 3 plus 3 is 6 and 1 more is 7. So there are a lot of different ways that we can think about it, but that's what our brain does. Let's look at a different one. That one was easy. 2. Okay, so we can see 1 and 1 makes 2. Simple. Five. What did you see first? Did you see the 3 first or the 2 first? I saw the 3 and I thought 3 and 2 more is 5. Four. That's an easy pattern to see. 2 and 2 makes 4. What do you see? Did you see 7? Yeah. 6 and 1 more makes 7. Perfect. Good job. So think about start, change, result, whether you're doing subitizing or like this. I'm starting with 11. I'm adding 2 more. 11 plus 2 is 13. All right, today your problem in math was a word problem that you had to do. And let me read it for you. Ben had 17 flower seeds to plant. He planted some of them. There are 5 seeds still in the package. How many of the seeds did he plant? Let me read it again. Ben had 17 flower seeds to plant. He planted some of them. There are 5 seeds still in the package. How many of the seeds did he plant? All right, so let's think about what are we starting with? What does the problem say that we're starting with? Right, 17 flower seeds. So we're starting with 17 flower seeds. Okay, I'm going to show my counting. Make sure I have all the dots that I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay? He planted some of them. That's the next part. So he started with 17. He planted some of them. So he did something to these 17, right? He did something to them. He changed them somehow. How'd he change them? He planted some of them, okay? He planted some of these. Yeah, the ones he started with. It doesn't tell me how many he planted, but it tells me that when he finishes planting, it tells me how many seeds are in the bag. Yeah, it tells me the result. It tells me there are 5 left in the bag. Okay? So I can circle those, I can cross those out, but I know that these 5 were left in the bag after he planted. So I know my start. I don't know my change, but I know my result. And if we think about what we started with and what we have to get to, what symbol am I going to use? Plus or minus? I'm going to use minus, because going from 17 to 5 means that number is getting smaller and I'm taking away. Okay? So these are the ones that are left in the bag. These are the ones that he what? Yes, the ones that he planted. How do I know how many there are? The only way I'm going to know how many there are is if I count them. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, is that what you got? All right, he planted 12 of them. So let's build our equation. I'm going to erase this so we have more room to build our equation. All right, what did we start with? We started with 17. And in my problem, I decided that I was going to take away to get to 5. So I'm going to put minus. What did we plant? What did we take away from that bag? We planted 12. And what was I left with? I was left with 5 seeds in the bag. So what's our answer? Is it 17? We always have to go back and look and see what the question was asking. Ben had 17 flower plants. He planted some of them. There are 5 seeds still in the package. How many seeds did he plant? Right, 12. The change is what's unknown. Okay? I know my start. That's what we started with. I know my result. That's what was in the bag after he planted some. And now that I've figured it out and drawn it and counted, I know what the change was. This change was what he planted. Okay, 12. He planted 12. All right, very good. Make sure you show your counting and show your parent your work, and they can grade it for you down here, and y'all can see how you did together. All right, great job in math today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy this nice weather that we're having. Play outside, and I'll see you next week. Bye.